In this video, I will show you how to connect Dubbing AI to Discord. Go to any web browser and search for Dubbing AI. Go to the first link. When the website loads, click on the big download button at the bottom. Once the download is complete, run the setup file and wait until the installation is finished. Now, wait for Dubbing AI to launch. Sign up with your Discord account. Click Authorize. Click Open Dubbing AI again and select Yes. Click Continue. Make sure your microphone and speaker are correctly selected. Click Continue again and then all done. Now, open Discord from your desktop. Click on the Settings menu or gear icon. Select Voice and Video. Change the input device to Dubbing AI Virtual. Make sure your output device is not set to Dubbing AI Virtual device. That's it. You have now successfully connected Dubbing AI to Discord. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.